Okay, dear students, we are in Eamcet Mathematics 1A functions. Okay, see, until last class we have done 13 questions total. Okay, so in this class also we will try to solve 7 more questions. It is going to become total 20. Okay, see what they have given. This is Eamcet 2000 question from functions only. See, x belongs to R for all values. Okay, modulus of x minus 2 is equal to x square. Here modulus function we have to see. But you see, this is normal function only. Why? Because first question, see, all I am taking examination questions only. First question easy like I have taken. Next modulus question little bit tough we will take. X square. See, what are the what we can say answers will satisfy this function or condition. Let us see what is the answer like. See what I am doing. One by one you have to take. You don't have any other option. Okay, like this. See, all questions may not be like directly without seeing answer. You do the question, afterwards you see answer. Like that may not be there. In objective type questions, you have to go through answers also. You substitute to answer and find the value. Okay, see, LHS, RHS, two things we will take. LHS, RHS. Both should match. One by one I am taking. You see, if I take minus 1, LHS implies minus 1 if I take. See, these are not what we can say closed interval, like these are set. You see, what is the symbol here? This is called brace. In brace, these are elements, set elements. Okay, this is not, see, minus 1 to 2, all values we are not giving. We are going to give only minus 1 and plus 2, that's all. Like that you have to take. Why? Because this is a set, not a bracket. You see, this is different, this is different, and this is different. These two you can apply for limits from minus 1 to 2. But minus 1 you should not take, plus 2 you should not take, this bracket. Minus 1 to 2, this bracket. Minus 1 you should take, 2 also you should take. This is set of elements. Minus 1 and 2 only you have to take. From 2 will not be there. Okay, like this you have to understand the concept. Okay, see, minus 1 we are taking. When we take minus 1, what is LHS? LHS we are dealing. LHS minus 1, minus 2 modulus, minus 3 modulus, that is equal to 3. Okay, and RHS should match. RHS will be minus 1 square 1, but 3 is not equal to 1. You need not see again 2. You cross this. You understand how you are proceeding? Like that you have to see. Then go for second one. 1 implies modulus of 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 modulus, that is equal to 1. Okay, come here also. RHS 1 square, that is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. Okay, that means it has satisfied. But you see for 2 also, then 2 implies 2 minus 2 0. Okay, modulus 0 means 0 only. But here 2 square 4. 0 is not equal to 4. That is why this also you cross mark. Second option. Go for third option. Minus 1. See, minus 1 already we have seen. 3 will come. Okay. And minus 1, if it is LHS is 3 but RHS is 1 is coming. That is why cross marking. Need not see. Okay. Go for fourth option, last option. Okay, let us go. 1, give 1 LHS. 1 if you give, see, 1 satisfied. Not like 1 is there. Okay, 1 if you give 1 will come. We need not do again. That we know. And go here. 1 square is equal to 1. That means 1 is equal to 1. Okay, like this you have to do. This is easy only. And next question we will take 15th question. Okay, see, question number 15. if function real number to real number, that means domain is real number, codomain is also real number, is defined by, original function is this one. Actually this is definition of function, but this is original function. Real number to real number is there like they are mentioning, but here what is the original function? F of x is equal to 2x minus modulus x. Please see carefully. 2x minus modulus x. F of x is equal to 2x minus modulus x. Then f of 2x plus f of minus x minus f of x is equal to how much, like they are asking. F of 2x plus f of minus x minus f of x is equal to, okay? See, 4 options they have given, and you have to see this has been asked in Eamcet 2000 question, okay? When compared to last question, this is little bit tough. Not easy or not tough, but little bit tough. Let us proceed. See, at one go I am writing, you see what I am writing, f of 2x plus f of minus x minus f of x is equal to, okay? See what I am writing. F of 2x means in place of f of x, x you have to substitute 2x. 2 into 2x plus modulus of 2x. Okay? See, function is f of x is equal to 2x plus modulus x. In place of x you have to substitute 2x. Why? Because f of 2x. This is over plus f of minus x. In place of x you have to substitute minus x. 2 into minus x plus modulus of in x plus minus x minus f of x. F of x is, you copy this, minus x. You see, f of x you are writing minus of f of x means completely how to write minus. Don't forget, okay? Minus of f of x means completely this will be become minus. That means minus of 2x minus of modulus x. Understand this? Or else you are not going to get answer. Minus of f of x means completely minus 2x minus modulus x. Okay, now proceed further. See, 2 into 2, 4x plus, and also you see modulus of 2x. You can take 2 out also. Why? Because see here, for real number there is no modulus. Minus 2 means okay, but 2 is there. You can take it out. Okay? 2 modulus of x, both are same. Okay? Plus minus 2x. You see, you don't write plus then. Minus 2x. Okay? Plus modulus of minus x. You keep it like this only. We will do afterwards. Minus 2x minus of modulus x. Is it okay? Okay? Now come back again. You see, minus 2x plus 4x. I am writing here, you see, 4x minus 4x. Why? Because see, minus 2x has become minus 4x. Okay? These are going to get cancelled out. Plus 2 times of modulus x. Okay? Minus modulus x. 2 times of modulus x minus modulus x. These two I have written at one area. Okay? Now what else is having? We are having only plus modulus of minus x. Okay? 4x minus 4x, 0. Okay? 2 times of modulus x minus modulus x, modulus x. Is it okay? Plus minus of modulus x. Now stop and analyze. See, inside if it is minus, what will become outside for modulus? Plus only, that we know very well. See, modulus of x is also x only will come, modulus of minus x also x only will come. See, here we are not asking what is x. What is x means x may be minus x or x may be plus x. After putting modulus, but it will come modulus x only, outside, positive. That means, see what will happen here? Here this is going to happen. That is equal to modulus x plus modulus x, that's all. Why? Because see, minus inside modulus, after result, modulus x only will come. Okay? What will happen finally? 2 times of modulus x. Is it okay? Definitely okay. That means you put answer to. Okay? Take this, we will go for next question. Okay, see, question number 16, what they have given. The functions, 2 functions are there here. F is also one function, G is also one function. Both functions are defined from real number, set of real numbers to set of real numbers, both domain and codomain. Okay, both are defined as follows. What they have given, you see, observe carefully. Function f of x is different, function g of x is different. You see here, if function f of x, if you give rational number, x is rational number, give means input here. Okay, output will be 0. If you give irrational number, output will be 1. But if you go to g of x, if you give rational number, here minus 1 will come. Here 0 is coming, here minus 1 is coming. But if you give irrational number, 0 is coming, 0. Okay, for g of x. What they are asking? Fog pi plus gof e they are asking. That means f of g of pi plus g of f of e they are asking. You see here input, either you give irrational number or irrational number, like they are differentiating. But if you see here, both inputs are irrational numbers only. Okay, we know very well what is rational number and what is irrational number. See, any number if you are able to write in p by q form, that is called rational number. If not irrational number, see e, pi, etc. numbers are there, means those are irrational numbers only. Why? Because pi equivalent is 22 by 7, but not exactly. That is why you have to take pi also irrational number, e also irrational number. That means irrational you are giving. You are not giving rational. Why? Because only 2 inputs you have to give. Okay. Let us proceed further then. What will be the answer and all? Let us see. Okay. See f of g of pi. See what I am doing. See g of pi first I am writing. G of pi. In g irrational you are giving. 0 will come. 0, comma. F of g of pi. You see f of g of g of pi is equal to f of 0, that is equal to, see, 0 is rational number. In f, if you do rational number, 0 will come, that is 0. Okay, this case is over. Then you go for g, comma, f of e. E is irrational number. In f, if you do irrational number, 1 will come. 1. G of f of e, write down. G of f of e. That means g of 1. 1 is rational number. In g, if you do rational number, minus 1 will come. Okay? Then you combine. Why? Because you have to add. Finally, f of g of pi plus g of f of e is equal to, this value is 0 plus, but minus is there, minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. You keep 1 as answer, minus 1. You understand this? Okay? Take this, we will go for 17th question. Okay, see question number 17. If function set of real number, AR means set of real number, minus 3 by 7. See, in real numbers 3 by 7 you should not give domain. This is codomain. Codomain also same, minus 3 by 7. That means 3 by 7 will not come like they are mentioning. Okay. See, critically if you observe, in both domain and codomain both are same, means the function may also become like inversion. Okay. Inverse of this is going to become function like, it may be hinting. F of x is equal to 3x plus 5 by 7x minus 3. Then the statement which is not true, 4 statements they have given. One by one we have to test it. If it is true, true. If it is not true, then we have to put that one. Okay. See, Proceed further here. You see f inverse of x. First one is f inverse of x is equal to f of x, like they are mentioning. Let us see f inverse we will find. Okay. F inverse, if you find, what we are going to do, f of x you take as y. Y is equal to 3x plus 5 by 7x minus 3, comma, send this side. 7xy minus 3y is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay? Then you see y you take common here, y if you take common, 7x minus, no, you have to take common, not y. Let me tell you. Okay. Now you send 3x this side and 3y that side. 7xy minus 3x is equal to 3y plus 5. Okay? Now take x common. X if you take common, 7y minus 3 is equal to 3y plus 5. Okay? Now x is equal to 3y plus 5 by 7y minus 3. You see, y is equal to 3x plus 5 by 7x minus 3. X is equal to 3y plus 5 by 7y minus 3. That means here f inverse of x is equal to f of x. This is true. That means this is, see, which is not true they are asking. That means this is true. If it is true means you have to cross mark it. Not true means you have to tick. This is true. Okay? Don't tick mark, cross mark it. This is not our option. Then go for f of x. Write down f of x. How to do it? F of x I am doing this here. F of x. F of x. Okay, see, 3 into f of x plus 5 by 7 into f of x minus 3. Is it okay? Why? Because see, f of x means in function f of x you have to give. Okay? But you see here, f of x is 3x plus 5 by, that you have to write again. You see 3 into 3x plus 5 by 7x minus 3 plus 5 divided by 7 into 3x plus 5 by 7x minus 3. Okay? Proceed further. You see, you multiply 9x minus 15. Write down. 9x plus 15 by 7x minus 3 plus 5 divided by 21x plus 35 divided by 7x minus 3. Okay? Is it okay? It is appearing in camera or not? Yeah, appearing. Now cross multiply. Numerator and denominator separately. 9x plus 15. If you cross multiply, see 35x plus 35x minus 15 divided by 7x minus 3. You have to write by. I am not writing. Why? Because denominator and denominator are going to get cancelled out. That is why I am not writing. Okay? 21x plus 35 minus 21x plus 9. Okay? You see here, minus 15 plus 15 minus 21x plus 21x are going to get cancelled. That means see, 9x plus 35x, so 44x divided by 35 plus 9, 44. That means 44 are going to get cancelled, x is going to come. That means see, f of x is equal to x has come. This is also correct. If wrong, you have to cross mark. If is correct means you have to cross mark. Wrong means you have to tick mark. Okay? F of x is equal to x. Okay. Now you see, both answers are not, what you can say, both answers are correct, but those are not required. Which is not correct we require. See, when f of x is equal to x has come, na, I am rubbing this, you see here. Why? Because board it is not appearing for you. That is why I am doing here. Okay. I am not taking this third one. I am taking this fourth one. Okay. See, f of f x. Shall I write like this fourth one? Why? Because 4 times you are doing this function. F of x, f of x, f of x, f of f of x, f of f of x like that. 2 times separated. Why? Because 2 times answer I am having. Okay. Then you see f of f of x is x. This value is x. Again this value is same. That means fourth one is also correct. This is not required for us. Then what left? This is only. That means you have to keep this third answer. Or else you can do third also, but after first and second you have to do third. How you are doing, you see. F of you separate. F of x. F of x is x. F of x is x. That means f of x. But f of x should come, but x has come. F of x is not equal to x. Why? Because f of x is 3x plus 5 plus 7x minus 3, not x. You understand this? Okay? Take this, we will go for 18th question. Okay, see question number 18. If function domain defined from where to where, original function is that is different. See, function is defined from 1 to infinity, but 1 is closed interval. That means 1 you can give up to infinity. 2, codomain. 5 to infinity. That means 5 will come. Okay? Up to infinity may come. Okay. See, if you observe carefully here, both domain and codomain both are positive numbers only. That you keep in your mind. Okay? Both are positive numbers only. That means negative numbers are not there. That is very important to observe. Given by f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 by x. Okay? See, when you are giving only positive numbers and all positive function is there. Why? Because x only you are giving, remaining all positive, then output will be positive. That's all. That you keep in your mind. F inverse of x you have to find. F inverse of x. What is f inverse of x? Okay. See what I am doing now. F inverse of x means fx you take as y. See what I am doing. Y is equal to 3x plus 2 by x. Okay? Y is equal to 3x plus 2 by x. See here denominator x is there. That is why I will multiply with x. That means you see xy is equal to 3x square plus 2. Is it correct? I have multiplied with x both sides. xy, x into 3x, 3x square, x into 2 by x means x at 2x and 2x will come. Now what I am doing, you see, I am sending xy that side. 3x square minus xy plus 2 equal to 0. Is it okay? Now it is like a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c. Now you find x value. Why? Because see, x square and x are there. That means you have to find x value only. Okay? Find x value and that will be your. If you find y value, that will be your function. If you find x value, that will be your inverse. Inverse you are finding here. Okay? Inverse they have written. Okay. See what I am doing now. X is equal to. Okay? See, x is equal to. What I am doing, you see. Here actually it is coming in x form only. You see, wait, you observe carefully what is coming and all. X you are doing minus b. Minus b means see minus is there. Minus of minus plus y. Okay, plus or minus square root of b square means y square minus 4ac. 4 into a is how much? 3 into c is how much? 2 by 2a. 2a means what? 2 into 3. Okay? Plus again you need not write y plus or minus square root of y square minus 24. 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24. 24 by 2 into 3, 6. Okay. You see, y is equal to 3x plus 2 by x is a function. X is equal to something is inverse. Inverse means again you have to convert it into x. Now x is equal to this thing means what will be the f of inverse? X is this one. F of inverse means you replace x with f of inverse and replace y with x, that's all. If you replace y with x means x plus or minus square root of x square minus 24 by 6 will come. Okay, now we stop and analyze. One thing I told you, see this function is entirely only positive function and input also you are giving positive. That means you tell me now this negative number will come, x minus root of, no, doesn't come. That is why you have to take x plus square root of x square minus 24 divided by 6. Okay, negative will not come, only 1. X plus square root of x square minus 24 by 6 will come. Go back and see answer. You see here 1 by 6 is there divided by 6. X plus square root of x square minus 24. Okay, that means this will be the answer. Okay, take this, we will go for 19th question. See question number 19. This is Eamcet 2015 question. Okay, if f of, see not, function f is defined from real number to real number, set of real numbers, both domain and codomain. Even g also, function g also, two functions are there. Real number to real number, set of real numbers. Okay, and original function f is 5x minus 3. Original function g is x square plus 3. Okay, now you see g of f inverse of 3, how much, like they are asking. First you have to find f inverse and substitute 3. F inverse of 3 will come. This f inverse of 3 you have to substitute again in g. Then you are going to get the answer. Okay, see what I am doing now. First f inverse of 3 you have to find. F inverse of 3 means for f of x you have to take as y. See, y is equal to 5x minus 3. Why? Because I have replaced f of x as y. Y is equal to 5x minus 3. Okay. See, f inverse of x if you want means x you have to find. You see, y plus 3 is equal to 5x. I have sent this y 3 this side. Y plus 3 is equal to 5x. Then x is equal to y plus 3 by 5. Is it okay? See, this is x value. You want f of inverse x. F inverse of x is equal to, that means x you have replaced with f inverse of x means y you have replaced with x. X plus 3 by 5. Okay. Now see, f inverse of x you have received, but in terms of x only, function. Now you substitute 3. F inverse of 3 you want. Write down. F inverse of 3 is equal to 3 plus 3 by 5. 6 by 5. Okay, 6 by 5. But you require g of f inverse of 3. Write down again. G of f inverse of 3. F inverse of 3 is 6 by 5. Write down. G of 6 by 5. Why? Because f inverse of 3 is 6 by 5. What is g? X square plus 3. Write down. 6 by 5 whole square plus 3. 36 by 25 plus 3. Okay? Cross multiply. 36 plus 75 by 25. 6 plus 5, 11. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Understand? Let us go for question number 20. Okay, see question number 20. If f of x is a real function defined on closed interval minus 1 to 1. See, this is closed interval minus 1 to 1. That means minus 1 also you have to take, 1 also you have to take. Then the real function g of x is equal to f of 5x plus 4. Okay, f of 5x plus 4 is defined on the interval. Interval you have to find here. Okay, what is interval and all? 4 intervals they have given. This is Eamcet 2015 question. Okay, let us find the answer. See how I am proceeding. -1 to 1 f of x. That means, see, what is that input only? Defined on. That is not a result, input only. That means, you see what I am writing. X is -1 to 1, greater than -1, less than 1, but equal to is also there, closed interval. That means equal to. Okay, this is first condition. Then you see, you have to find 5x plus 4. Directly you cannot find. What you are going to do? First you multiply with 5. See what I am doing. If I multiply with 5x, then I have to multiply with minus also, -5, 5 also. 5, 5. -1 into 5, -5, 1 into 5, 5 into x, 5x. Okay? But you require plus 4 also again. Write down 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4. -5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. -5 plus 4, -1. 5x plus 4, we like this only. 5 plus 4, 9. Then what is the answer? -1 to 9, closed intervals. That means, see, -1 to 9, closed interval, both sides. Okay? This is the answer for this question. Go back and see where is this? This one. -1 to 9, closed interval. Okay? Now we stop this class. We have finished 20 questions. We will see, slowly we will increase the toughness of the questions. Okay? Slowly I am going towards this latest question. Latest questions normally a little bit tougher. Old questions little bit easier. If I tell all easiest questions also not useful. If I tell all tough questions also, that is not useful. You are going to get demotivated. Okay? That is why slowly I am increasing the toughness level. Okay? Let us meet in the next class. Okay? Thank you very much.